Hello my friends out there. I just had an amazing Google Hangout with some friends and actually business associates from the company where I work for. Actually I'm an affiliate from Empower Network, and part of them are from my team from Big Idea Mastermind. We just came back last weekend from the Empower Network event in Miami. It was called Freedom 2014. It was really an amazing event. It was life transforming, and we had so many testimonies. It really literally changed a lot of people's lives, and it also changed my life. I just came back yesterday from United States. I'm here now in Austria, in Vienna, and it was really a long flight. I really had to make a big commitment to go there because was almost 20 hours to go there, but I can tell you it was really worth every second I've been there, and I'm so fired up. I really can't tell you how amazing it was to meet so many great people, and I really have to tell you, you should be there. You should join us, join our team, and to meet these great people. You will see it's not only a business opportunity, it's a movement. It's really transforming everybody's lives, and we are one big family. This is how it feels, and this is how it is. People really get friends, find new friends, new relationships. And I met also somebody, a really nice guy. He is like my brother. I found a soulmate in him, and it was really touching what he told me, because I actually wanted to go to Jamaica. I wanted to move there, and before I went there he told me, Otmar, you, whatever will happen, you can always come to me. You will never be homeless. There will be always a place for you where you can stay. And it really touched my heart. So I wanted to thank him. His name is Thierry, and if he watches it, I thank you, Thierry, for believing in me and for inspiring me. I really had an amazing time, and I can't wait to see you again. Also, I want to thank the people, the Brindamore family, who really touched my life and who really inspired me. These people are really amazing, and I really have to say, without their inspiration I wouldn't have been in Miami. And I also want to thank my girlfriend in Jamaica. I really love you, Kanisha, and I won't give up. Even if they don't let me into Jamaica, because I didn't have a return ticket to Austria. But I don't give up. I will really do my best to be there, to see you in person. Because this is what we should do in life. We should always be committed. If we have a vision, if we have a goal, we should go for it. So I really hope that you got some value out of my message today, and I would be pleased if you would join me. And yeah, there's a click below the video, and if you click it, you will get more information about what I'm talking about. And if you have any question, just get in contact with me. I'm pleased. I'm really pleased to meet you in person, and I would appreciate a lot if you join us, if you join me, if you join our team, and I see you on the other side. I hope you enjoyed my video today, and yeah, I really have a pleasant time, and I see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.